Welcome to UK theme parks and welcome back to the Ghost Train. Now we were here a couple of weeks ago to experience the brand new Ghost Train, and it's been shut for the last few days for improvements. So it's currently got a 50-minute queue. We're going to head in there shortly. However, there is now a board out. The park effectively have taken quite a lot of feedback, mainly around the fact that it's not a ride. It's now an immersive LED, story-led experience featuring live actors and special effects. So it's a unique ride, well, unique experience. So I've got to stop saying ride, and not the same as their thrill ride. So it's really good that they've done this, because that was the biggest part of it. And of course, there is no fast track at the moment. So apart from the disability queue, it is pretty much straight on. So if you want to see our review of the Ghost Train from last time we were here, we'll put a little link on the screen for that now, because we're not going to go into full detail. We're going to go and ride it again now, and we're going to give you our feedback. It's the first time we get to see all these posters around here, including all these ones that all little nods to the past. Well, maybe Amity Cove's quite common. It's Ghost Train after the revamp. See what it's like. Ghost Train. Yeah. Did you ever go on Fungal Safari, Mr. Rabbit?
I don't think so.
Did you go on it?
On what?
Fungal Safari. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did go on it, because it did an emergency stop and you cut your lip. I remember it well. Yeah, you've done quite well on these. We're approaching the front of the Ghost Train. You looking forward to this? Scaredy cat. Ghost Train, Cody. What do you think of the Ghost Train?
It was good. Wouldn't queue an hour for it.
You wouldn't? Well, we just did.
Yeah, I'll do it again.
You wouldn't queue an hour for it, but it was good. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I think, well, the hour thing is more because it was so hot, I think.
It does feel really hot, doesn't it? It does feel really hot.
I forget it feels so draining.
What was your favourite bit? Were there any surprises for you in there?
Well,
We've done a full review on this, or I've done a full review on this. So anyone on the channel that's seen the full review kind of knows what's happened.
I mean, the second time we got on the train was the better bit.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Agreed. Yeah, better than Darren Brown?
Yeah, probably is.
Probably.
I didn't mind the VR, but that actually works.
It does work.
Because the VR never worked. So
Cody, we've established
it's
you...
naturally better, because it's a rideable
Yeah.
experience.
We established, Cody, you didn't go on Darren Brown.
No.
Is that what we're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So we went on this a couple of weeks ago for press night, and the park did take some feedback about it, and it's been shut the last 4 or 5 days for some changes. And I have to be honest, I don't see that many changes. The signage has definitely been updated, experience-led as opposed to actual ride, which it definitely is. And there are, I think, a few more lightning effects at the beginning, a few more lighting effects in general throughout, certainly the opening scene, and indeed on the train as well. There are far more dark moments than what there were before, where the lights completely go out. Other than that, the story remains exactly the same as when we last reviewed it. So if you want to see the kind of the in-depth, go back and have a look at that. I still think it's brilliant. I really do. I think in terms of Darren Brown, it's streets ahead of what Darren Brown was. And, you know, arguably, the story-led actor and the fact that's how it's specified it now is brilliant. But yeah, we just wanted to do a really quick video to say, you know, what's changed. It's reopened today. Everyone's been looking forward to it. I still think it works really well. I think they've really focused on the actor-led experience. And yeah, there we go. Check out our full review. That's in the link. Obviously would have been on the screen earlier as well. But have you experienced it? Have you experienced it since it's reopened? It has only just reopened. Did you spot any differences? We didn't. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. We've had an amazing day at Thorpe Park. We'll just add in, we've had an amazing day. Operations have been brilliant, apart from them Sister Perno being shut. A short video for you. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.